Welcome to this practical training on how to mask close maintenance notifications using transaction IW28 in SAP plant maintenance. In daily operations, maintenance teams often deal with hundreds of completed notifications that still remain open in the system. Closing them one by one is time-consuming and inefficient. Transaction IW28 gives you a powerful and standardized way to select multiple notifications and close them in a single run. This video will walk you through the complete process step by step, from accessing the transaction to applying best practices. Whether you are a maintenance planner, supervisor, or SAP end user, you will learn how to keep your notification data clean and accurate with minimal effort. Let's get started and master this essential SAP PM skill together. In this training, we will cover 6 important topics. First, we will understand what transaction IW28 is and why it is the standard tool for mass processing of maintenance notifications. Second, we will look at the prerequisites you need before starting. Third, we will go through the complete step-by-step process of using IW28. Fourth, we will focus on how to define effective selection criteria so that you select only the right notifications. Fifth, we will explore the actual mass closing options available on the list screen. Finally, we will share practical best practices and tips that help you avoid common mistakes. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in using IW28 for efficient notification closure in your daily work. Transaction IW28 is the standard SAP plant maintenance transaction designed for the mass selection and processing of maintenance notifications. While IW22 and IW23 allow you to work with individual notifications, IW28 enables you to display a list of notifications based on flexible selection criteria and then perform actions such as completing or closing them in bulk. It is especially useful when you have many notifications that have already been processed on the shop floor but still remain open in the system. The transaction uses the familiar ALV list format, giving you sorting, filtering, and selection capabilities. Understanding IW28 is essential for maintaining clean notification data and supporting accurate reporting in SAP PM. You should use mass closing of notifications in several common situations. The most frequent case is after preventive maintenance campaign or a major shutdown, when dozens or even hundreds of notifications have been completed but not yet closed in the system. Another typical scenario is regular data cleanup, where open notifications that are no longer relevant need to be completed to improve system performance and reporting accuracy. You may also use it when notifications were created in error or when their related maintenance orders have already been completed. Mass closing saves significant time compared with processing each notification individually and helps keep your plant maintenance data consistent and up to date. Before using transaction IW28 for mass closing, a few prerequisites must be in place. First, you need the appropriate authorization to execute IW28 and to complete notifications. Second, the notifications you want to close must be in a system status that allows completion, typically no-go or a similar status. Third, you should have a clear understanding of the selection criteria so that you do not accidentally close the wrong notifications. Fourth, it is helpful to know the difference between system status and user status, because a restrictive user status can prevent closing even if the system status allows it. Checking these points in advance will make the mass closing process smooth and error-free. To begin, open the SAP Easy Access screen. In the command field at the top left, type the transaction code IW28 and press Enter. You can also navigate through the SAP menu path Logistics, Plant Maintenance, Management of Technical Objects, and then Notification. But using the transaction code is faster. Once you execute IW28, the system displays the selection screen where you can define the criteria for the notifications you want to process. Make sure you're on the correct SAP client and plant if your organization uses multiple plants. This simple first step opens the powerful mass processing tool that will save you considerable time. After entering IW28, you will see a comprehensive selection screen. Key fields include notification type, functional location, equipment number, planner group, and various date ranges such as notification date or completion date. You will also find status-related fields that allow you to select notifications based on system status or user status. Additional fields help you restrict the list by work center, priority, or responsible person. Taking a moment to review all available selection options helps you build precise criteria. The more accurately you fill the screen, the cleaner and more relevant the resulting list will be, reducing the risk of processing unwanted notifications. Defining the right selection criteria is the most critical part of the process. Start by restricting the notification type if you work with specific categories. Use functional location or equipment ranges when you want to close notifications for a particular area of the plant. Always include a status selection so that only notifications that are ready for completion appear. Date ranges are very useful for limiting the selection to a recent period. Avoid leaving too many fields blank, as this can return an unmanageable number of records. A well-defined selection ensures that the list contains only the notifications you truly intend to close, making the subsequent steps safe and efficient. Once your selection criteria are complete, click the Execute button or press F8. The system displays an ALV list of all notifications that match your criteria. Take time to review this list carefully. Check the notification numbers, descriptions, current statuses, equipment, and functional locations. Use the standard ALV functions to sort or filter if needed. You can select individual lines or use Select All if every entry is correct. Never proceed to mass closing without reviewing the list. This verification step protects you from accidentally completing notifications that still require attention or that belong to another area. After reviewing and selecting the desired notifications, you can perform the mass close. From the menu, choose Notification, then Functions, and then Complete, or use the corresponding toolbar button if available. The system will display a confirmation dialog showing how many notifications will be processed. Confirm the action. SAP will update the system status of each selected notification to completed. In some cases, a short processing log appears. Once finished, the selected notifications are closed. You can refresh the list to verify that the status has changed. This bulk action replaces dozens of individual IW22 transactions and significantly improves efficiency. There are a few important points to keep in mind. First, the system status of the notification must allow completion, otherwise the mass close will fail for those items. Second, a restrictive user status can also block the completion even when the system status is ready. Third, always double-check the list before confirming the mass action, because the process cannot be easily reversed for a large number of notifications. Fourth, if notifications are linked to open maintenance orders, closing them may affect order processing depending on your system configuration. Being aware of these points helps you avoid errors and ensures clean data after the mass closing run. Follow these best practices for reliable results. Always start with a small test selection to confirm that the process works as expected. Use specific selection criteria rather than broad ones to avoid selecting the wrong notifications. Document the selection criteria you used so that the action can be audited later. Before closing, check whether any selected notifications are still linked to open orders. For very large volumes, consider running the process in the background if your system supports it. Finally, communicate with the maintenance team so that everyone knows which notifications have been mass closed. These simple habits make mass closing safe and effective. Let us quickly summarize the key points. Transaction IW28 is the standard and most efficient way to mass close maintenance notifications in SAP PM. Success depends on accurate selection criteria and careful review of the resulting list. Always verify system and user statuses before executing the close function. Testing with a small set of notifications first reduces risk. Following best practices such as documentation and communication ensures data quality and process transparency. Mastering IW28 helps you maintain clean notification data, improve system performance, and free up valuable time for more important maintenance activities. Thank you for watching this training on MAS, closing maintenance notifications with Transaction IW28. I hope the step-by-step guidance and practical tips will help you work more efficiently in SAP plant maintenance. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more practical SAP PM tutorials. Feel free to leave your questions or experiences in the comments below. Your feedback helps me create content that is even more relevant to your daily work. Keep practicing, keep improving your SAP skills, and I will see you in the next video.